students, now we are going to see the chemical properties of amines. So in chemical properties, first property here is alkylation. Alkylation. So addition of alkyl group. What is alkyl? Methyl, ethyl, propyl is alkyl. Methyl, ethyl, propyl is alkyl. Methyl, ethyl, propyl. So methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, all these are alkyls. So CH3 methyl, C2H5 ethyl, etc. So alkylation means addition of alkyl, that is methyl, ethyl, propyl, like that. How this alkyl group get added? So aniline, that is primary amine. Commonly we can take this as a primary amine. Aniline is aromatic amine, no? Whether it may be a aliphatic amines also. So aniline react with alkyl halide, commonly or X. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine. Or methyl, ethyl, propyl. So RX, methyl bromide or methyl chloride, react with primary amines to give tertiary amine. That means alkyl group increases. Addition of alkyl group, no? So alkyl group increases. Primary amine, one alkyl. Secondary, another alkyl added. Tertiary, another alkyl. Quaternary, 4. So how the reaction takes place? Primary amine means RNH2. Example for that one is methylamine. Methylamine. CH3 methyl, NH2 is amine. Alkylation, by the addition of alkyl halide, that is methyl bromide. The hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen involved in the reaction. Hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen involved in the reaction. So HBr goes out. And we get CH3, NHCH3. NH represent this is a secondary amine. NH2 means primary amine. NH means secondary amine. How many alkyl group is attached to nitrogen? 2 alkyl. What are they? Methyl. So dimethyl amine. If 2 alkyl halide is added, 2 hydrogen involved in the reaction. Only 1 alkyl halide, no? So 1 hydrogen. 2 alkyl halide means 2 hydrogen and 2 Br. 2 HBr goes out. And the 2 methyl group added. 2 methyl group. So here 2, here 1. Try. What is that? Methyl. Nitrogen aniline, that is amine. N represents tertiary amine. So trimethyl amine. Now 3 molecules. 3 molecules means we can replace 2 hydrogen. Third one is added as a salt. So trimethyl. Here 1. So tetramethyl ammonium YEM plus. Nitrogen atom carries plus sign. So trimethyl, tetramethyl, ammonium bromide. Here 3, here 1, no? So tetra. Methyl, ammonium bromide. Commonly it is called as quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary means 4. 4 alkyl group is there, no? So quaternary ammonium salt. So on alkylation, we can get a mixture of amines. Primary alkyl group converted to secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. Next we are going to see is acylation. Acyl, which is acyl group? COCH3. It is also called as acetyl. So the process is acetylation. It is also called as acetylation. Then we need one reagent. No? What is that agent? Acetylating agent. Acetylating by adding the acetyl group. What is the reagent? Acetyl chloride. Acetic anhydride. We already discussed, no? So acetyl chloride, acetic anhydride. Aliphatic or aromatic? Primary and secondary amines. Whether aniline or methylamine, like that. Primary and secondary amine react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine, which is a base catalyst, to form N-alkyl acetamide. So in acetamide, nitrogen is attached to alkyl group. N-alkyl acetamide is nothing but in acetamide, N is attached to alkyl group. So, why we told only primary and secondary amines? What about the tertiary amine? In tertiary amine, there is no hydrogen attached to nitrogen. So, there is no reaction. Let's see how the reaction takes place. Yes, primary amine, ethylamine. Ethylamine, primary amine, NH2 is there. Nitrogen have how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So, one of the hydrogen combines with Cl, acetyl. CH3CO is acetyl, no? Acetyl chloride. HCl goes out. HCl goes out. What is remaining here? C2H5, NH, CO. This bond only come and attached here. CO, CH3. So, CH3CO NH2 is called acetamide. NH2 is called acetamide. One hydrogen is replaced by ethyl. So, N-ethyl. Nitrogen, which alkyl group attached here? Ethyl. So, N-ethyl acetamide. So, it is N-ethyl acetamide. So, ethylamine with acetyl chloride, the presence of pyridine. Ethylamine, that is primary amine, react with acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Both the reactions takes place similarly. Base catalyst pyridine to form a N-ethyl acetamide. This is acetamide. CH3CO NH2 is acetamide. One of the hydrogen is replaced by ethyl. So it is N-ethyl acetamide. N-ethyl acetamide. Next is Scott and Bowman reaction. Scott and Bowman, all name reactions are important reactions. So aniline, that is primary amine, react with benzoyl chloride. Here acetyl chloride is added, we call this as a acetylation. Here benzyl chloride is added, so we can also call this as a benzoylation reaction. So benzoyl chloride in the presence of strong base NaOH, there pyridine, to give N-phenyl, aniline, no? So phenyl, N-phenyl benzamide. So aniline with benzyl chloride in the presence of NaOH gives N-phenyl benzamide. N-phenyl benzamide. This is known as Scott and Bowman reaction or benzylation. Both the acetylation and benzylation are nucleophilic substitutions. Nucleophile come and attack, no? CH3CO. Here aniline, one H plus goes out with the HCl minus. So there is one minus there. So nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution. Now let's see the reaction. That is primary amine aniline react with benzyl chloride. How the reaction takes place? One of the hydrogen with the Cl goes as HCl. Remaining C6H5 NHCO. C6H5. C6H5CO is called benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl, Cl is there, so chloride. Here this is benzamide. C6H4, C6H5CO NH2 means benzamide. One of the hydrogen is replaced and substituted by phenyl. So the phenyl group is attached to nitrogen. So N-phenyl benzamide. N-phenyl benzamide. And the next is the reaction with nitrous acid. Important reaction. What is the product obtained with primary amine? Secondary amine. Like that we are going to see. Nitrous acid. Nitric acid we already knows. HNO3, nitric acid. What is nitrous? HNO2. So HNO2, how this is obtained? By a mixture of NaNO2 and HCl. How this reaction? NaCl goes out. We get HNO2. HNO2. So nitrous acid reaction with nitrous acid HNO2. It is formed by the mixture of NaNO2 and HCl. Let's see the reaction with primary amine. Primary amine means the compound containing bond NH2. Compound containing bond NH2. So ethylamine. Ethylamine is a primary amine, no? Reacts with nitrous acid to form one intermediate called diazonium chloride. Ethylamine, so ethyl. In diazonium, Em plus. What does the diazo represent? Nitrogen is called as azo. In organic chemistry, the heteroatom nitrogen is called as azo. So 2 nitrogen, so diazo. Carries plus sign, so M, chloride. Let's see the reaction, which is unstable. And then this is converted to alcohol by liberating N2. Unstable. Why it is unstable? Due to the absence of resonance stabilization. Aliphatic diazonium chloride compounds are unstable due to the absence of resonance. There is no benzene ring there, no. Benzene ring means we have a delocalized pi electron that involve in resonance to give the stabilization to the compound. But here aliphatic primary amine with nitrous acid forms a aliphatic diazonium chloride which is unstable due to the absence of resonance stabilization. So after losing N2, it forms alcohol. So common concept is primary amine. Primary amine with nitrous acid gives alcohol. Primary amine with nitrous acid gives alcohol. Any primary amine, that is any aliphatic primary amine. So now ethylamine, this is a primary amine, NH2, react with the nitrous acid, O double bond NOH, with the HCl, NaOH and HCl. How the reaction takes place? H2O goes out. H2O goes out. C2H5, N double bond N, Cl. C2H5, N double bond N, Cl. Cl is minus, electronegative, this plus. Diazonium, nitrogen carries plus sign, no? So 2 nitrogen diazonium chloride. Ethyl is there, so ethyl diazonium chloride. Then with water, aqueous solution, HCl goes out, N2 goes out, we form alcohol, ethyl alcohol. So primary amine, that is aliphatic primary amine, gives alcohol with nitrous acid. Now diazotization, that means formation of diazonium compound. Diazotization means formation of diazonium ion, that is diazonium compound. Here when aniline, here aliphatic primary amine, here it is aniline. So aniline react with nitrous acid only at low temperature 273, 0 degrees Celsius commonly, to give a benzene diazonium chloride which is stable for short time, even though it is stable, and then slowly decomposes. Now let's see how the reaction takes place. This is also primary amine, aniline, react with the nitrous acid and HCl. Nitrous acid and HCl. HCl 2 molecules. NaCl, 1 Cl goes with Na. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. 2 oxygen. Here 2 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen goes out as water. NaCl. Remaining is N, 2Cl. Only 1 Cl goes as NaCl. No, remaining 1 Cl is there. So N2Cl. N2. Here we represent the N2 as plus, no. So here also N2 plus. Cl minus. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Now, so aliphatic primary amine gives alcohol. Aromatic primary amine means diazonium chloride. Diazonium chloride. That process is called as diazotization. Now it is secondary amine. Secondary amine means compound containing NH. The alkyl and aryl secondary amine, whether it may be alkyl or aryl, but secondary amine. With nitrous acid, it gives N-nitroso-amine, which is a yellow oil, therefore insoluble in water. Oil insoluble in water. Oil is insoluble in water, no? So alkyl and aryl, whether it may be alkyl or aryl, secondary amines with nitrous acid forms N-nitroso-amine. So primary amine, aliphatic amine means alcohol. Aromatic means diazonium chloride. Secondary amine, whether it may be alkyl or aryl, that is aliphatic or aromatic, it forms a N-nitroso compound. It is oily, yellow oily liquid, so it is insoluble in water. Let's see the reaction. NH, so secondary amine. Nitrogen, methylamine, no? In methylamine, one hydrogen is replaced by phenyl. So N-methyl aniline, commonly it is aniline. One methyl group attached here, so N-methyl aniline. Nitrous acid and HCl. Now how the reaction takes place? H2O goes out. N N double bond O. N double bond O form a bond with the nitrogen. So N double bond O, nitroso. This is called nitroso, attached to nitrogen. So N nitroso, methyl, benzene or phenylamine. Aniline or phenylamine. N nitroso, methyl, aniline. We can also say aniline or phenylamine. Oil, yellow oil, so insoluble in water. Yellow oil, so insoluble in water. This is all called as a name reaction as Lieberman's nitroso test. Secondary amine test is Lieberman's nitroso test. So now tertiary amine. What about the tertiary amine react with the nitrous acid? So tertiary amine, aliphatic tertiary amine react with the nitrous acid to give salt. Primary amine alcohol, secondary amine N-nitroso compound, tertiary amine salt. So it forms a salt. Salt means always soluble in water, no? Now tertiary amine N. So tertiary amine, trimethyl amine, nitrous acid. This is a lone pair. This gives a electron to H plus. So N plus NO2 minus. HN plus NO2 minus. Trimethyl ammonium nitrite. What is that nitrite? ITE. We know NO3 as a nitrate, but NO2 is a nitrite. So trimethyl ammonium nitrite. Trimethyl ammonium nitrite. Salt, no? So soluble in water. So soluble in water. What about the aromatic tertiary amine? So aromatic tertiary amine react with nitrous acid to give para-nitroso compound. So aromatic tertiary amine means nitroso compound is obtained. Yes. So nitrogen, 2-methyl and 1-phenyl group. So it is tertiary amine. So in aniline, 2-methyl group is added, no? So NN dimethyl aniline. NN dimethyl aniline. That is N, 2-methyl group is added. For 1-methyl or N, another methyl, another N. So NN dimethyl aniline with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid, how the reaction takes place? HO, N double bond O. This H2O goes out. This nitrogen has a lone pair, no? It is orthopara directing. So here it is steric hindrance. Due to the steric hindrance, para product is only formed. Ortho is unstable. So N double bond O come and attached here. So N double bond O, para position 1, 2, 3, 4 with the removal of water. This H2O, water. 4, 1, 4 position is called para. What is attached here? Nitroso. This we know, NN dimethyl aniline. NN dimethyl aniline. So tertiary amine, that is aromatic tertiary amine with nitrous acid gives para-nitroso NN dimethyl aniline. NN dimethyl aniline. And the next is carbylamine reaction. The next is carbylamine. Name reactions are all are important. So carbylamine, this is also called as a give a test for primary amine. Standard question, that is test for primary amine is NH2 compound, that is primary amine compound containing NH2 group. So the aliphatic or aromatic primary amine reagent for carbylamine is chloroform, alcoholic AOH. So whether it may be aliphatic or aromatic, but this is a reaction for primary amine. What is the reagent? Chloroform and alcoholic AOH. What may be the product? Isocyanide, that is called carbylamine. Isocyanide, that is called carbylamine, which have an unpleasant odor, that is foul smelling. This is called carbylamine test, and this is used to identify the primary amine. Test for primary amine. So carbylamine, what is the reagent? Chloroform, alcoholic AOH. Product is isocyanide. So this is also called as a test for primary amine. Test for primary amine. Let's see the reaction. Ethylamine, primary amine. Reagent is chloroform and KOH, no? How the reaction takes place? 3KCl goes out. 3KCl goes out. So this is the reagent, carbylamine reagent. This is a carbylamine reagent. What is that? Chloroform and KOH. Yes, how the reaction takes place? 3KCl goes out. And then 2 hydrogen. Here 3 hydrogen. Here we have 3 hydrogen, no? with 3 oxygen. 3 plus 3, 6 hydrogen and 3 oxygen goes out as 3 H2O. 3 KCl already goes out. Remaining C2H5 NC. C2H5 NC. NC is called isocyanide. Let's see. Cyanide. CN is called cyanide. It is also called as nitrile. CN is called cyanide. This is also called as a nitrile. NC means iso. CN means cyanide. NC means isocyanide. Now, mustard oil reaction. So, carbylamine means chloroform and KOH is the reagent. This is a test for primary amine. And the product is isocyanide. Ethyl isocyanide. Now, the same similar to carbylamine reaction, this is also one of the important name reaction, that is mustard oil reaction. Mustard oil reaction. This is also a test to identify the primary amine. When the primary amine is treated with, here the reagent is carbon disulfide and mercuric 2 minus 2 plus. Hg plus means us, mercurous. 2 plus means ic. We know Fe2 plus for us, 3 plus is ic. So more pluses there means it is called as ic. Sn2 plus tannus, Sn4 plus tannic. So plus is more means that is called as ic. With less number of pluses, us. Yes, let's go here. Primary amine treated with carbon disulfide and this is the reagent for mustard oil. What is the reagent for chloroform? Chloroform and KOH is a carbylamine reagent. Carbon disulfide and HgCl2, that is mercury chloride, is a mustard oil reaction. So, when primary amine treated with carbon disulfide, first is forms a N-alkyl dithio. What is that thio? Thio represents sulfur in organic chemistry. Azo means nitrogen, no? Similarly, thio means sulfur. Carbamic acid. We know carboxylic acid, no? C double bond O, OH. Instead of oxygen, if we have sulfur means that is called carbamic acid. So, reagent is carbon disulfide and mercuric chloride. First it forms an intermediate and then it gives a isothiocyanate, ATE. Cyanide means we know, CN, cyanide. What is cyanate? ATE, CNO. The third one is added. Means 8. So cyanate, oxygen. So cyanate, isocyanate. NC, iso. Oxygen. So isocyanate. Isothio means instead of oxygen we have a sulfur. Sulfur is called as thiono. So isothiocyanate. Isothiocyanate. Let's see the reaction. How the reaction takes place here. Consider a secondary amine or primary amine. It is also a test for primary amine. Yes, so take the primary amine, methylamine, simple amine, NH2, carbon disulfide. How the reaction takes place? This H minus brings the nucleophilic attack to this sulfur. So, if any atom forms a new bond means it has to lose one bond, no? So, this becomes minus and this come and attack the nitrogen. So, CH3, NH, C, double bond, S, single bond, SH. What is that? First this H minus come and attack this sulfur. So this bond shifts to carbon. So the carbon carries minus, H goes with the minus, no? So plus. So this CS come and attack here. So CH3, NH, C double bond, S, SH. This becomes single bond, hydrogen comes here, so SH. This is carbamic acid. Dithio-carbamic acid, 2 sulfur. N-methyl, secondary amine, so N-methyl. N-methyl dithio-carbamic acid with the mercury chloride, it is converted to isothiocyanate. How it is converted to isothiocyanate? With the mercury chloride, that is CH3, NH, C double bond S, single bond SH. This H plus, this H, G and S goes out. This hydrogen and this hydrogen goes with Cl2. So this bond comes here, no? So CH3, N double bond, C double bond, S. 2 hydrogen with 2 Cl, 2 HCl. Hg with S gives HGS. CH3, N double bond, C double bond, S. This is isothiocyanate. Methyl isothiocyanate. This is called mustard oil reaction. Let's see aromatic primary amine. This is aliphatic. If it is aromatic means how the reaction takes place? When aniline is treated with carbon disulfide, same reagent. Aniline is aromatic primary amine, no? Carbon disulfide, it forms a S-diphenyl thiourea. Thio means sulfur. Urea, instead of oxygen we have a sulfur. So diphenyl thiourea. On boiling with HCl, it forms phenyl isothiocyanate. Here it is methyl isothiocyanate, no? Here it is aromatic, so phenyl isothiocyanate. Mustard-like odor. So this is mustard oil reaction. Now let's see the reaction. That is primary amine NH2 NH2, aniline, NH2 attached to benzene ring, so it is aniline. Carbon disulfide is our mustard oil reagent. How the reaction takes place? H2S goes out. For that purpose only I write like this. So H2S goes out. Benzene ring NH C double bond S. Benzene ring NH C double bond S. With the removal of this sign, minus sign represents the removal of H2S. And the next, this is called S-diphenyl. This is thiourea. That is, what is urea first? NH2 C double bond O NH2. That is NH2 C double bond O NH2. O, instead of O we have sulfur. So it is called thiourea. Thiourea. So thiourea. Phenyl group is added now. So diphenyl, 2-phenyl group, diphenyl. Why this S represents? S represents a symmetric molecule. Why it is symmetric? If you divide the molecule into one plane is the symmetric plane. The molecule is divided into two halves. Molecule is divided into two halves. So it is called symmetric diphenyl thiourea. Symmetric diphenyl thiourea. Then with mineral acid HCl on heating, what happens? One of the H plus goes out. That bond comes here. And therefore it leaves with this one. So the benzene ring N double bond C double bond S. Benzene ring N double bond C double bond S. So isothiocyanate. Phenyl isothiocyanate. Phenyl isothiocyanate. So this with aromatic primary amine. Aromatic primary amine. This reaction is called as Hofmann mustard oil reaction. These reactions are called as Hofmann mustard oil, similar to Lieberman's test. So name reactions, all name reactions are very, very important. So Hofmann's mustard oil reaction. This is also a test to identify the primary amine. This is also a reaction with the primary amine, no? So primary amine aniline aromatic, but it is aromatic. Aromatic primary amine carbon disulfide. What is the reagent for mustard oil reaction? Mustard oil reaction, the reagent is carbon disulfide and mercury chloride. Here Hofmann's. So carbon disulfide with mineral acid. Carbon disulfide with mineral acid. Hofmann's mustard oil reaction. Hofmann's mustard oil reaction. So these are the chemical properties of amines, both aliphatic and aromatic amines. Both aliphatic and aromatic amines.